Let's discuss the shortcut keys to sort your data in ascending, descending, or using the custom sorting. So if I want to apply the ascending order on my this column, so I'll place the cursor within the column and press Alt H S S. So it will sort my this sale column from the smallest to largest value. Control Z to go back. And if I want to sort my this quantity column from the largest to lowest value, so the shortcut key is Alt H S O. So it will sort the values from the largest to lowest according to the quantity column. Control Z to go back. Now, if I want to apply the custom sorting, so the shortcut key is Alt H S U. So a window will pop up. Again, I can define the different layers, sale, the sale value, largest to smallest. Can add another layer by using this quantity column, smallest to largest, press OK. Now it will apply the custom sorting according to my defined criteria. So this is how you can quickly sort your data in ascending, descending, or can apply the custom sorting in Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video.